Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the first event of Financial Literacy Month 2013. First, let me thank you for helping focus the month of November on a very important message for all Canadians. Each and every one of us has to develop financial literacy skills that will take us through life. It's a message that is well reflected in this year's theme, financial literacy across generations. As all of you know so well, the financial challenges Canadians face change at different ages and stages. A child who can handle a weekly allowance will need to develop far greater knowledge and skills as an adult to pay off their student loans, to negotiate a mortgage, to manage a household budget, or after decades in the workforce, to afford a comfortable retirement. Consumer protection is also important to the financial well-being of Canadians. As we announced in the speech from the throne, our government is taking action to ensure Canadians are fully informed regarding the cost of credit and debit card fees. We will work with provinces and territories to crack down on predatory payday lenders and more. But we cannot act alone. Helping consumers make informed financial decisions is a job for many hands. That's why I am proud of the work by the Financial Consumer Agency of Canada and their proven track record of working with others to increase financial literacy across Canada. For example, they have worked with the Canadian Bankers Association and have developed a successful financial literacy seminar program for high schools across Canada. I'm delighted that earlier today the Canadian Bankers Association announced and they are developing a new financial literacy program for seniors in partnership with the Financial Consumer Agency of Canada. The Canadian Bankers Association is now working with our government to develop financial literacy programs across the generations. I look forward to seeing the first seminar for seniors in the coming months. As you share your views and insights today, I hope you'll generate more ideas and ways of collaborating to help Canadians gain the knowledge, the skills, and the self-confidence to make wise financial decisions throughout their lives. It's my great pleasure, then, to join you in launching Financial Literacy Month 2013. Thank you for your participation. I wish you all a very productive day.